Introducing this beautiful 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT conversion van. Offering a VMI NorthStar automatic in-floor ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.8-liter V6 engine and only around 81,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door will open and your ramp and kneeling system will stow or deploy. This van features a driver's side turnout seat. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.